Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Simple English Corner. Can you do me a favor? Hi. Sure, what do you need? Can you pick up my notes from the library? No problem. I'll get them this afternoon. Where exactly are the notes kept? They are at the front desk under my name. Do I need to show any ID to pick them up? Yes, you might need to show your student ID. When do you need them by? I need them by tonight, if possible. Can you remind me where the library is? It's on Elm Street next to the Science Building. Is there any specific person I should ask for? Yes, ask for Ms. Davis at the front desk. What time does the library close today? It closes at 8 p.m. How many notes are there to pick up? There should be 2 notebooks and a folder. Do you want me to drop them off at your place? Yes, that would be great. Thank you. Can I call you if I have any issues finding the notes? Absolutely, just give me a call if you need anything. Do you need any other help while I'm at it? No, just the notes for now. Thanks again. Is it urgent, or can it wait until tomorrow? It's a bit urgent. I need to study them tonight. Should I let you know once I've picked them up? Yes, please give me a call or text once you have them. Can you send me a picture of what the notes look like? Sure, I'll send you a picture right now. Are there any special instructions for picking them up? Just mention my name and show your ID. That should be enough. Do you need me to photocopy any of the notes? No, just bring the originals. I'll handle the rest. Is there a specific time you need them delivered? Any time before 9 p.m. would be perfect. Can you tell me if there's parking available near the library? Yes, there's a parking lot right next to the building. Would you like me to meet you somewhere to give you the notes? If you can drop them off at my place, that would be best. If not, we can meet at the cafe near my house. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you so much.